expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. The next significant winter storm could affect Nebraska and Iowa by the middle of next week. Significant wintry precipitation, including snow and ice, may affect the region. Anyone with travel plans or weather-sensitive interests next Tuesday through Thursday should monitor the forecast. Tuesday and Tuesday night, snow likely. Highs in the upper 20s. Lows around 16. Chance of snow 60%. Wednesday, mostly cloud station KIH 61 in Omaha, Nebraska. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Omaha and Council Bluffs area. The wind was north of 15 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 4. The pressure was 30.17 inches and steady. Across eastern Nebraska and Columbus, snow was falling with a temperature of 16. It was sunny with a temperature of 10.
National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this warning system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. However, if there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe weather day like today. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Doniphan counties of northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test, and we now return to regular programming.